Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moy. And today we're going to be unboxing the Nike Dunk Low in the Championship Gray colorway. So, let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box. And I got them a little early because these will be releasing on the Sneakers app on November 5th. Foot Locker already released them like a couple days ago, and so some people are already getting theirs this week, but people who are waiting on the Nike drop, well, still gotta wait till November. So, and we have our Supreme knife, of course, but let's get this bad boy open. Upon opening the box, we have our Nike logo. Alright, so the box came in a little damaged, as you can tell from the front. It looks all like all dented. You see that? Nah, man. Oh well. And so on the box it says Nike Dunk Low Retro, and the colors are Wolf Gray and Dark Obsidian. So another thing about the box is we just have another Nike logo on the side, this side as well. And then on the bottom we have our branding, our logos, all the recycling thing, whatever. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is a size 9, of course, because I am a size 9. And let's see how they look. All right, so first impressions are, I like it. This is my first dunk, so I might keep these, I might not, we'll see. But I really like the color on it. It looks really nice. I like neutral colors like black, white, and gray. So like Dark Obsidian kind of matches the gray as well. It's just a really dark blue, but you can barely tell unless you're like in the sun or like you're really close to the shoe. And then the laces are Dark Obsidian as well. All leather upper, midsole. We have our white midsole, and then our Dark Obsidian sole. And on the tongue we just have our Nike swoosh and logo. And on the inside it's a orange Nike swoosh. You can't really tell, but I'll show you guys in the close-up shots. And then we have basically our stars like the Jordan 1, but these are just a little different. Actually, no, I think they're the same. Yeah, they look the same. But on the back, on the heel tab, we have Nike in embroidery right there. And let me get the other shoe out. But I'm pretty sure it's the exact same. Dunk Lows are really simple and clean. So yeah, basically the same thing. Embroidery on the back, and Nike swoosh on the tongue tab, Dark Obsidian sole, white midsole, all leather upper. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me get you guys the close-up shots and the on feet, and we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video on these dunk lows. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would rock, if you guys would drop. It's again November 5th, retailing $100. Good luck to those of you who are trying to get them, and I'll catch you in the next one.